Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
It's here for me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV. So something very mysterious is see our aboseo kind. Now him say for those who know the Ghan tradition, this is the time for a year womo festival, a year homowo na a year womo edino. Now, some other kaya, I think, say somewhere around last week, made the story be real. Say, I think it was Teshi or said one part. Say nye Teshi, Mure Fikashaba, still some part of Accra. Woman so, one more person womudi or mafashe. Wahine say coronavirus inti. Nanka a fashion woman chinchen so. Ama ebedanen tokwa. Ema trese. Youth no echo wahine ni fie ko se nyama. Eki can send be break. Just say one more disrespect or hin ne pan easy. Still one more street in the store. Eko cast one more there. Say hin didn't see one more moon declares to one bedi. Emse munya moka story no. Now, our aboso kind area 100 year. One more penny say one more the bedi homo one. Gamashi annual homo festival no. One more penny say one more bedi. Now, nini name no. I'll be speaking from the point of police because I suddenly see nini chin a police for nine so and a kotoye. Inti police for asama wa moka and they say womo pu de womu nim omu susu say na ka bibi say be koso a at least na ke bo say impanyifo ebebo womu police for na amane na say protection bi wo baby a e bo say police for na eye den womo edebema because bibi say no sometimes I don't know but normally em say bibi say na na police for so to me bem ebebo an nyama say nya nkrofo eba bebre ne nyama no some personalities would be needing protection what you say. The police one day almost say omo de omo ntere omo nim de esi. Womo beti and say gunshots. Etu tutu obi akoso. E na womo rush call ho. Womo rush call ho a ya bon crofo miensa tuo. An crofo miensa na ya bon mu tuo no. Na afi e wo say rush omo e call hospital. Na asembe ni nkofo a homo wo mu di homo wo festival a mu di atrese. Ye be ha na say etu tutu aba be koso. If we free, and that me no can say police force say assembly mo pa na krano they still don't know. Say you be na kokan obi na obi bufu yo. Obi na waka say one more nye homo one na e say wo bia nti ase. And now say once sometimes in so say these debes na na nkrofo ekrekret wa onim say local guns no. O say afashe na nyama na na nkrofo I don't know for the guns but em say Ashantis no neta eya metan hu sa ade no asante man ebia wo mo ye garden bi afahye bia won se ni ekrekretio e de namu ni ye tututio chese warning shot na nyama intiminim se ye nubi e na tio no koka nkrofo we yo ana se wo bi no mo obi bufu ye na tututio bo no ana se ade na wo mo chese no one knows obi eni mana nkrofo bi ba ho se da bi eni kon se moye ena ntokwa ba ya police for the class wo mu ni mitende am no ka say they are still investigating the matter inti esi sana won akoto so wo de se ne amedin kan tell no they didn't know the thing was even going on because they weren't invited they weren't told officially inti otutu ne twe omoko ho a omoko ye no na evo se afei wo mu a wo mu ipra no ye de omo eko hospital inti fast ene ye rush wo mo eko shukura Shukura government hospital. Atiase and esanso edibi eko Kolebu teaching hospital. Na Kolebu ena nkrofo mienu efri mu yayaya. Awo mu du ho they were undergoing treatment. Now so say send it you ne kan wo mu no they couldn't survive and our doctors no ebe pronounce wo mu dead. Say nkrofo no wo mu efri mu yayaya. Now the third victim ne die say na medi catch on no wo prayer but nensa nifa atiase nti nensa nifa na yesi etuo ne kan but ono no de yet sisi akra ne say doctors no etumi ahwe no amenda amene ka say ya discharge no from the hospital. Inti Ghana police force were more conducting investigation on this particular matter whether the shooting had anything to do with the celebration. Say na America no. say in traditionally once a celebration because an microphone to 220 they are investigating the matter to see what led to the shooting. Na yakoni yakohwe say okay enipa we no koye we no ye we a na ya chese microphone no e bia na ebo apayo because microphone mienu ewu ati ase as far as microphone mienu ewu ne de e was say arrest bi ebem adi hey Charlie ede eto de bia enyama bi wo ho a won eto de bia mekan na ese o melodies there wo de say se mo beka ya the first scenario me de maamu san crofo no ebi mo beka say ane oh senya na omu di omo hene na atem na enye easy o me sure say bia area we kra no ene kra na ma hene na pene say wo mo nye because o hwa senya crofo na ye wild ya mo anya ade om de be ye hene no san hene ba ko no omo konifie ko say nyama omo ko pale so e ko say nyama na ko interview omo a asem ana ebi mo kan say ane e wo se ye mo di homo no na hene ne be mo edi homo no hene ne gina ho say homo no wo mo be di no next year anase corona ne kofo mu a na what if next year so mu wu a on be si de di ho asem a nipa ba kon kan no o say what if next year no omu wu homo no be si de di nti on be so mu di ne nda nti corona ne mfa na asem nko wo mu fi corona bia ni Ghana ta kwa ye say ahemfo a wo mu so hwehwe de ekoso see what is going on no akwa say they can't dare to say festival no ye mamundi because they've seen their fellow hene waka say festival no my embasso yantwen shada no they saw what they did to him nti one person obedi kra na also here because the people are eager. The people are eager to celebrate. Eya na nsem bi wo ho amenti ase. Ene na akwafa etututo aba no. And when we share videos ni bi of sa homo celebration na. And da me no ga akwa say coronavirus ne kra ni Ghana biom. Nox Max abobo. Enye easy o. Nox Max a yenhye homo videos no na mbrantie yi ne musa ne de ye ho abobo ye ho ne ye ne musa trese ntwe ho kra ho nti ase se Tigana pani enende ede asemu ya kwa akobei eto de bia we need to know and understand the times and seasons we are in ni hu ne se yebetu nyama bi wo ho a yebetumi atwe ahyeda ye twe hyeda ebeboa ba ya ye hu se wo da bi ya nye nda ebesei ende se eyebo apayo ne ya tutu abo obi o se nye bo apayo se ye celebration ye celebrating ya ko tutu o mana abo obi o Fianza police for the investigation. So a lot of people are passing comments on this particular matter. Because obi efifie say wo kwa akoye celebration homo wa aba. Na wakwa akohu de. Enya asempa. Tigana for bebre na etre wo mo adwen. Obi say the way security has deteriorated in this country is incomprehensible. Once asem no koba no aposifo ne de abehye omukon comment again ni bi pass no asem no kon wan by police ni ti e na behye ye mi hu police fo e ka se homo we kra no wo mo anka ntre yen normally de omo ye ene se wo mo bo police fo na mane na minim e bia wo mo fili se da bi wo mo kwa country police fo na because one thing ene se still our president wa ban these festivals any traditional things no I don't know, says Sisiano, one banning, but Embrana were banning Yamano, all these things were banned. Intimi Susu say, Bia, wo Philip on Quacatre police, no better so Darby. Ya bandy Sanyaman in here, Mamon yet. Because, sir, Crona may say, Wamohene, or Moko saying in Yamano, ye see a last and say police for any beji heneno. Police for never crow, Emma Cronumu, a toading. nti me nim so mo feel say oh ya kwa catch police for na wo mo man yen yo nti o say ye yo na mo koye ye but asem ne ko bae no commenter will be pass no obeso ade to eye police for ne so na wade to police for ne so be hwese ne ankrofo di na tem ankrofo say ah na wo story aye kan bebrebe na ade na wo de she police for won try mo your comment box ni